Hello friends, today we are making this for half double crochet. So we have earlier seen single crochet, double crochet, and this is half double crochet. Okay, so as always for this also I have made 12 chains and I will show you how to make half double crochet on these chains. So I have taken yarn over the needle and I'm leaving these two chains, insert into the third one and pull through. Now until this the steps are similar to double crochet, but now I will yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Okay, so this is half double crochet. I'll show you again. Pull through all the 3. This is the different thing. This is also very easy. Once you practice, you will notice the difference. You can do it easily. So this is how we make half double crochet. It is also a beautiful stitch. I have used this stitch in many projects. I have made baby blankets, winter caps and other decorative items using this stitch. It looks very pretty and very good. Uh, keep practicing, keep learning, enjoy crocheting. Try this and let me know if you have any questions or queries about this. See you in the next one. Thank you.